Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call. Today, Thursday, the 8th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. In the US, we saw crude oil data come in at 1.9 million barrels in a session where the US dollar held its ground. Not much data this week coming from the US as the dollar flies under the radar quite timely, as the heat and focus is on the stock market volatility at this present time. From New Zealand, we saw employment numbers were good, with the change coming in at 0.5% and the unemployment rate dropped down to 4.5%. The Kiwi received an immediate boost at the release of the data. However, this morning, only about 40 minutes ago, the RBNZ has left rates unchanged at 1.75%, and in their policy statement they have said that numerous uncertainties remain in place and their growth forecasts were revised slightly lower. The Kiwi has fallen across the board, as this statement seems to have been perceived as dovish. Okay, let's have a look at our chart of the day. Very difficult to find the chart this morning. A couple of big candles spoiled, so a lot of setups for us. What I have is an AUDCAD on a 4-hour time frame. You can see here that I think I highlighted this channel last week at some point. We were at this point, it's moved away, we have come back down now, and let me zoom in on this particular zone where I'm highlighting. If I zoom in on it, essentially what we got to wait for is a bit of price action confirmation before we can attempt to trade. So if you're a breakout trader and we get a big breaking candle on the downside, well then that could be a signal for you. Or if you're trying to trade inside the channel, bounce it off the line, we need some kind of price action confirmation over here before we can attempt that trade. But in any case, just place this one on your hot list. It is the AUDCAD on a 4-hour time frame, and we are right at the perimeter right now. Alright, let's have a look at what's happening in the session, which is just about to kick off. We have at 11 o'clock this morning from New Zealand, the RBNZ governor will be speaking. At 8 p.m. this evening, we have our RBA governor Lowe will be speaking for the Aussie dollar. And then the big one at 11 p.m. tonight from the UK, we have the monetary policy statement, the votes, the inflation report, and the official bank rate for the UK. So highlight that onto your calendar, look out for these, and that wraps up that session. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.